Hello, welcome to another unboxing. This time it's the RGB stage light. Don't know why they call it that. So I mean, you wouldn't use these professionally. These are just a bit of fun to have a little disco at home, really. But this one looks a little bit different to most because it's got a ring of LED lights along the bottom. And this is slightly bigger than most of the ones I see on Amazon. So this one normally goes for about £24, but it was on a deal, and I noticed it's been on lightning deals and things for about 12. So keep your eyes peeled, put it on your wish list, and don't buy it at 24. Wait for it to drop, unless you've got an emergency party. Then get it straight away. So I don't think many people have stagecoaches these days to put these on, and even then they wouldn't have batteries inside, would they? And this one's main, so no. Right, so let's have a look. Oh, there's whoever supplied this one. I will be doing a light show at the end of this video. If you want to forward it just to that, go ahead. Right, so let's see now. We've looked at the box, haven't we? Nothing much more to look at there. As I say, so this one is mains, which is the diffuser looks a lot bigger and better than most I've seen. That looks pretty nice. Just trying to look inside and see if I can actually see the because it's usually like a cluster with the 3 or 4 LEDs on it, and the whole thing moves. Let's give these swirling patterns. Anyway, there we are. So there's a nice row of LED lights. I see the whole thing is very, very light. There's whatever transformer is in there, it's just switch mode, or it might be even worse. It might be some hideous thing on a board that just about passes Chinese spec. So is it fused? It is. Let's just have a quick check a minute. See what size fuse they put in here, because you really don't want a big fuse in something like this. Well, looks like a 3 amp according to this. It does say BS standards 3 amp, but you know, that could just be printed on there. Well, anyway, good. So it's got a low value fuse on there, which is exactly what you want for something like this, to be safe. So hopefully the fuse will blow before anything else happens. I'd still be a bit wary about leaving these sort of things completely unattended, in case it gets a little warm. But who's to know? It might be fine. At least we've got the protection of a fuse. So there is no remote control with this one, but I will try one of my remote controls to see if I can change it. So it might just be a one trick and that's your lot. So I'll use it here in the front room. I've done a few other disco light reviews, and I'll wait till it gets dark, and I'll do this one later on this evening. Different languages, many different languages, so it's obviously being sold all around the world in this form. It's super durable and safe for using. That's always good to know. Something's safe for using, isn't it? 3 lighting modes, changing between 3 single colours: red, green, blue. RGB, flashing colourful lights. Super mini, easy to install. Play mode, auto, sound. 48 LEDs, blah 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 blah. Long working life. So how the hell do you change any of that? How do you change any of the settings? It doesn't even say about it. Play mode, auto and sound. Look, it says there, play mode, auto and sound control, which makes me think that it doesn't change. And this might be a different product that they're talking about, because there's probably loads of different ones in the range. And I expect there's one with a built-in speaker as well. Anyway, I will try a remote control on it. just to see if it responds to anything. You never know. Okay, so we'll just walk into the room. And there it is in all its glory. So I've tried a few remote controls on it. I've got forever LED lights and never disco lights and things. Doesn't seem to work. So it is just going through a preset sequence, but the preset sequence is quite a variety. At the moment, the bottom LEDs is going by colour. In a minute, they start spinning around. There we go. Start spinning around. Then they do something else. And meanwhile, the other display, I'll look at the ceiling in a minute and show you, is going through blues, red greens, red blues, blue green, sort of all sorts of nice things. It's really quite a nice unit. But there's no sound to light or any control. It's just that's it. But what it does is quite nice. It's show a bit closer. Really nice effects going on. So let's show you the ceiling. So there's red, blues. There we go. So we're going through all sorts of different things. It's really quite a nice unit. It's quite nice being mains as well, so you haven't got to worry about transformers or anything. You just plug it straight in to wherever there's a socket without having anything to attach or anything like that. It's all just the one thing. Straight lead coming out of the unit, straight into a plug socket. Brilliant. So I mean, it'd be quite nice if you've got a white wall to mount it half the way up the wall, because then you get the chasing LED sunflower effects scattering on the wall, as well as the prismatic stuff going on. You have two different lots of effects. It's a bit wasted. It's just on a book at the moment on the table. Let's just put it on this got a bigger cardboard box here. It's just have I got anything else I can put it on? Well, there's some. Just looking whether something is with a. Oh, here we go. Let's do the fireplace. Might be able to see the. Yeah, you can see the effects a bit better there. So if it was on the wall, it'd look, like that. Yeah, it's quite a nice unit. So there we are. So there's yet another party light to add to collection. So thanks for watching and see you again next time.